everyone, I'm back. I've been off for a week. I have been flying my face off. I'm so exhausted. I don't want to see another airplane for at least a week, and I don't want to see people. It's just exhausting flying for 6 days straight. But in any case, I am home. I'm back in the studio, and I got a new piece to show you guys. This is going to be a different take on how I do my my ribbon chaos swipe paintings, like this. So I'm going to do a actual blob chaos swipe. Not to be confused with Lee's blob paintings. It's not that. I'm going to blob my paints down on the canvas. You'll see. We'll get down there when I show you. All right, so I'm so happy to be back. I missed everyone. I missed the premiere chats, so I'm glad to be back. All right, everyone, let's get down on the canvas and get started. Hello, everyone. I'm back. Had a little week off. Did a lot of working, flying around, so I'm back in the studio. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a chaos blob swipe. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put down some white. All right, so what I'm going to do is instead of doing ribbon chaos, I am going to just do tons of blobs all over the painting. Then I'm going to drag my palette knife through there. And then I'm going to probably do some swiping with my cell activator. And then I will stretch it out. So I'm using a couple of leftover colors. This is kind of like phthalo blue mixed in with some ultramarine. Do some Reflex green. This is Azo Lemon Yellow, Amsterdam. Azo Orange. This is Payne's Gray from Creative Inspirations. And this is some Vermillion from Creative Inspirations. All right, so first thing I want to do is kind of just give it a little bit of a wreck. Chopstick here, my smack stick. Okay, so let's just kind of blend it all a little bit. So now I'm just gonna get some cell activator on the back of my knife. Do that again. Kind of bringing some of this block of color, kind of wrecking it up a little bit so that when it does get tilted, I don't end up with a lot of one particular color. All right, let's tilt stuff out.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different.
More paint on this canvas than I needed,
People say.
but that's kind of what happens with this kind of pour.
Why you making me feel this way? What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Little finger paint. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. Really cool. I love how the lines and everything just kind of go in all different directions. Definitely the definition of chaos. Let me bring you in here, up here, starting at the top. Loving the lacing. Look at the little cells that popped up through there. All right, let's see what this is dry. Be right back. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. So I can't show you the dried results I was hoping, but it's still not dry. So I will put it in Sunday's video. Y'all have the dried results for this. So thank you so much for watching. Let's go over to Kelly with Feral Art. She's up next. And I will see you guys on Sunday. Everyone have a great week. Bye-bye.